Summer is here, and the scent of sizzling sausages and mouth-watering burgers is calling your name. But what if you could take those tasty aromas on the road? Enter the world of portable grills, the superheroes of outdoor cooking. Whether you're tailgating, camping, or just enjoying a picnic in the park, these compact culinary wonders have your cravings covered. In this video, we'll take a look at some of the best portable grills that prove you don't need a backyard to grill like a pro. Links to all products mentioned in this video are in the description below. You can also find more detailed analysis and comparison tools on our website consumerpicked.com. Like this video, hit the subscribe button, and ring the bell to stay updated. Ready for the listicle? Let's dive right in! Number 5. Char-Broil Convective 1 Burner, our pick for best budget portable grill. If you're on the hunt for a budget-friendly grill that doesn't skimp on flavor or convenience, the Char-Broil Convective 1 Burner is your new best friend. This little powerhouse operates on liquid propane gas from a 1-pound tank, ready to fire up those backyard barbecues faster than you can say, "Grill Master." With a generous 190 square inch cooking area, you can easily sizzle up to 8 burgers or 12 brats in one go. That means your summer cookouts will have you flipping patties and doling out the good stuff to your friends faster than they can say pass the mustard. Sporting an impressive 11,000 BTU rating, this grill heats up like a charm and keeps the temperatures consistent, so you're not left with a half-cooked hot dog that sits there judging your grilling skills. The porcelain-coated wire grates are easy to clean and ready to go whenever you are, which means fewer excuses for skipping the weekend barbecue. With a simple control knob to dial in that perfect cook, heat-resistant side handles for easy transport, and minimal assembly required, you'll be set up and grilling in no time. Get ready to show off your grilling prowess with the Char-Broil Convective 1 Burner. It's the portable companion you didn't know you needed, so fire it up and let the juicy grilling adventures begin. Number 4. Weber Jumbo Joe, our pick for best charcoal portable grill. If you're a grill enthusiast on the go, the Weber Jumbo Joe charcoal grill is about to become your new best friend. It's the compact powerhouse that lets you unleash your culinary creativity, whether you're tailgating, camping, or just grilling up a storm in your backyard. You'll bask in the glory of flipping mouth-watering burgers, up to 8 at a time, thanks to the Weber Burger Press, while being the envy of everyone around. Weighing in as a lightweight champ, this portable grill is designed for wanderlusting foodies like you. The porcelain-enameled lid and bowl not only retain heat like a pro, but also boast a rust-resistant finish that keeps you grilling in style. And let's talk about that clever tuck-and-carry lid lock. It doubles as a handy lid holder, so you'll never risk plopping it on the ground, which is a total grilling faux pas. Temperature control? Easy peasy. With adjustable dampers, you'll have complete command over your grill's hot zone. And when it comes to assembly, don't sweat it. You can dive into 3D interactive assembly instructions available on the free Built app, because nobody has time for confusing manuals. So gear up for some serious grilling adventures with the Weber Jumbo Joe. Your taste buds deserve it, and so does every backyard BBQ this season. Still searching for the perfect portable grill? Well, don't throw in the towel just yet. We've got more coming your way. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe now and hit the bell icon to get notified when we drop new videos. You won't regret it. Number 3. Cuisinart CGG-306, our pick for best portable gas grill. If you're on the hunt for the ultimate grilling companion, look no further than the Cuisinart CGG-306. This portable gas grill is your ticket to Sizzle Town, promising to turn your outdoor cooking dreams into reality. In under 10 minutes, yes, that's right, no tools required, you'll be firing up those burgers and hot dogs like a pro. With dual 20,000s BTU burners under the hood, each cranking out a sizzling 10,000s BTUs, you have the power to create culinary masterpieces or just perfectly charred food. Whether you're a master of the meat or a veggie virtuoso, those independent control knobs let you create your very own heat zones. Talk about grilling multitasking. But wait, there's more. Those stainless steel cooking grates offer even heat distribution, so your steaks won't end up more charred than a horror movie. And did we mention it's only 22 pounds? With a locking lid, folding legs, and a carry handle, this grill is ready for adventure. Be it a camping escapade, tailgating showdown, or laid-back backyard barbecue. Complete with an integrated thermometer for precise heat control, the CGG-306 has all the brainpower and brawn you need to deliver delicious grilled delights. Just grab a 20-pound propane tank, not included, sorry, and prepare to turn heads and taste buds at your next gathering. Happy grilling! Number 2. Traeger TFT18KLD Ranger, our pick for best portable pellet grill. If you're on the hunt for a grill that can travel as easily as you do, meet the Traeger Ranger pellet grill, the ultimate portable powerhouse weighing in at just 60 pounds. With its compact 13 by 21 by 20 inches frame, it's like the Swiss Army knife of grilling, ready for everything from backyard barbecues to camping escapades. Don't let its petite size fool you. The 184 square inch cooking surface can handle a full rack of ribs, 6 mouthwatering burgers, or even 2 spatchcocked chickens simultaneously. This grill is all about versatility. Thanks to hardwood pellets, you can crank up the heat, up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit for some slow-cooked goodness that'll have your friends begging for your secret. Whether you're into smoky ribs, tender pork, or perfectly seared steak, the Ranger elevates your culinary game. With an easy-to-use digital control pad, you can adjust the temperature in 5-degree increments and monitor your food with the handy meat probe. Just remember, electricity is key. Plug it into your car's AC outlet or a portable power station for grill duty on the go. With an 8-pound hopper, you'll have plenty of pellets for marathon cooking sessions. Think Boston butt bliss that lasts for hours. And when the fun is over, simply latch it shut for hassle-free transport. Grill on, flavor aficionado. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Number 1. Weber Q1200, our pick for best overall portable grill. If you think the Weber Q1200 portable grill is just another bulky barbecue, prepare to be pleasantly surprised. It's like carrying a feather. Well, a feather that's great at grilling, of course. With its 2 oversized handles, you can effortlessly carry it in one hand, making it the ultimate sidekick for your outdoor escapades. And those foldable shelves? They're like a magician's trick, turning your backyard into a gourmet grilling station in seconds. Putting this beauty together is as easy as flipping a burger. With a quick press of the battery-powered igniter, you're ready to sizzle in no time. The roomy cooking surface makes you feel like you're working with a full-size grill, perfect for impressing family and friends with your culinary creations. Stability is a non-issue, thanks to sturdy feet that keep the grill steady while you focus on that perfect sear. Powering the Q1200 is a cinch. Just screw in a 14.1 or 16.4 ounce propane tank, and you're good to go. It may put out 8,500 BTUs per hour, less than some competitors, but it still delivers quick cooking times and beautiful sear marks without the dreaded flare-ups. Cleanup? A breeze! The disposable drip tray has your back, meaning no more battling dirty trays. With plenty of shelf space for your tools and treats, the Weber Q1200 is the grilling companion you never knew you needed, at just 30 pounds and the dimensions of a well-placed picnic blanket. Get ready to elevate your outdoor cooking game. That's a wrap. We hope you had a blast going through our list of best portable grills. If so, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Also, let us know in the comments which portable grill you're planning to pick. Let's make it happen. Thanks for watching. We will see you in our next videos.